Hey folks, it's Heather Dash, and it's day 11 of the 100 Pound Dash's HCG program. It's June, I want to say, today's July 1st, 2013. It's been a couple of days since I checked in last. I was on vacation, well, more of a staycation with the kids, and they ended up getting sick over the weekend, and I had to take them to the emergency room last night, so I didn't really get a chance to check in. A couple of interesting things happened over the weekend. The first that I want to divulge is that I did, for the first time, kind of cheat rather big on the HCG. When I was cooking barbecue on Saturday, I ate probably about a half a piece of a smoked sausage, and I think I did have, when I was cooking dinner for the kids Sunday night, had a little bit of spaghetti, and I also had a part of a cheese stick, and I had 3 shots of tequila. One of the things I did discover is that I'm obviously a stress eater, and I was confronted with some additional stress over the weekend, and that took me straight to the tequila bottle. So I'm not proud of myself. I did it. I can't take it back, and I'm just going to keep it moving. So I'm back on track. Last night when I was at the emergency room, I ate about 19 Pringles chips and had some Gatorade. So I probably ate about 1,000 extra calories. Oh, and I had about 6 tablespoons of trail mix, and that's mainly because the trip to the emergency room was unexpected, and I had no food prepared, and I was starving. So, yeah, like I said, I'm not proud, but I kept it moving. And it's funny because as I was doing it, each time I kept saying I shouldn't be doing this, but something else was just overriding me, and it's obviously something I'm going to have to work on. But I think the important thing is that I jump right back on it, and I'm back again on task this morning. So that's where we're at. Again, it's day 11. I go on Wednesday to check in with the doctors to get weighed and all the other stuff, and see if there's any results from any of the more of the tests that were done. So I just wanted to let you know that's what went down. And I guess everybody has their moments where they don't necessarily stick to the plan, but the important thing is to get back up. So just wanted to check in. I'm still feeling all right. I'm just proud of myself for not letting it wear me down to where I gave up. And that's pretty much it. I'm in the parking lot of my car. That's why it's so dark. I'm getting ready to head to class. I'm taking a class this summer, and I'm going ahead and trying to make the last 2 hours because this is the last day of the class, and I really wanted to be there. So I'll check in again probably tomorrow. Well, not probably tomorrow. I will check in again tomorrow, and I'll check in again on Wednesday and every other day like I planned. So peace, love, and blessings.